I wanted to show you how to make Duffy the Disney bear cake. I received many requests for Duffy related recipe, and then the other day I found this Duffy cake is very popular among Duffy lovers in Japan, so I thought this is going to be perfect for you. And the recipe is very simple, but there are many ways to make this, so I'm going to show you in the way I feel comfortable. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you can try it out.
Here are the ingredients. Print out your favorite Duffy image to the size you want. Place parchment paper. Draw eyes, nose, and mouth with melted chocolate. Put in the fridge to set. Fill in white. You can use food coloring to make the red. Put in the fridge to set. Then carefully remove from the parchment paper. Cut a slice of sponge cake radially. Place them in a bowl. Cut out ears using round cookie cutters, cups, or whatever you have on hand. Brush the cake with syrup, it makes the cake very moist and nice. Just in case, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate whipped cream. Add granulated sugar. Sift in cocoa powder. Mix well with hand because powder spatters. Then whisk the cream until it forms a soft peak. Layer some whipped cream and fruits. Place a layer of sponge cake to cover and put in the fridge to set. Flip over the cake onto a dish. Frost the cake with white whipped cream. Use cups or round cookie cutters to make an outline. Place the ears. Pipe out the chocolate whipped cream. Place some leftover sponge cake on his mouth to make a small mountain. Pipe out the white whipped cream. Pipe out the chocolate whipped cream. Check from the sides when you pipe out his nose part. Hollow the ears to make them look 3D. Place the eyes, nose, and mouth. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
立てたらボタッと落ちるかもしれないので立てられないけど超かわいいです。 かわいそうだけど顔食べないとね味がわかんないもんね。いただきます。じゃあチョコレートクリームっていうのがまた美味しいです。もうぜひ作ってみてください。もうすごいこれ、もう横から見てもダッフィーかわいい。チューチューかわいい。